She's so beautiful.
Woo! Say again?
ใบกล้วย
Why Kluwai?
banana leaf
Oh. And hold?
ใบกล้วยนี่อายุคะ17 she's 17
17.
Have you ever wondered what it feels like to bond with one of the world's most majestic animals? Today we're in southern Thailand, meeting a gentle 17-year-old female elephant named Banana Leaf. And trust me, she's every bit as sweet as her name.
Hello.
Riết mình chỉ phép riết thu biết không thu riết thu
Oh, nice.
riết
Elephants are deeply loved in Thai culture, often symbolizing strength, wisdom, and good fortune. But sadly, many elephants in Thailand have been mistreated in traditional logging or tourist riding camps. That's why experiences like this at Buathong Elephant Home are so important. Here, there are no rides, no chains, no tricks, just pure care, feeding and bathing in a natural way. First, we greeted Banana Leaf with her favorite snacks, bunches of bananas and tropical fruits. Did you know an adult elephant can eat up to 150 kilograms of food a day? Watching her curl her trunk around each banana and gently take it from our hands was magical. Then it was time for her bath. Under the warm rain, we stepped into the river with her. Together, we scrubbed her skin, splashed water, and gave her the attention she clearly loved. Elephants use mud and water baths to cool down and protect their skin, so bathing is not just fun, it's part of their natural routine.
با آب بیشتر میگه بریز و بشورش اگه میخوای بشوریش.
riết
At one point, Banana Leaf turned to us, raised her trunk, and sprayed a full blast of river water right over our heads.
ác
Nah. Opposite.
ác con
Nice.
Was it payback for making her stand still, or her way of saying thank you? Either way, it was hilarious and unforgettable.
em nóขึ้นก่อนนะมันจะเมื่อย
Spending time with Banana Leaf reminded us that ethical animal encounters don't just create amazing memories, they also support sanctuaries that give elephants better lives. If you're traveling through Thailand, consider adding a stop like this to your journey. You'll walk away with wet clothes, muddy shoes, and a heart full of gratitude for these incredible creatures. As a keepsake, the team at Buathong Elephant Home surprised us with a framed photo of our visit. It's such a thoughtful touch and a memory we'll cherish forever. Thanks for joining us on this unforgettable day. If you loved seeing Banana Leaf as much as we did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tripways for more travel adventures across Thailand and other countries. See you next time.